pregnant or not pregnant?
Not pregnant. She said not pregnant.
Yabo, Nisuru, I want to hear it from her mouth. You say again, what did you say? I said. I said. So all this while you have been deceiving me all around.
How can you not know? Pregnant, breast supposed to be full and heavy. Supposed to be full, touch it.
Asa, so you have been deceiving me and eating my money.
Okay.
You know what will happen now? You are going to give me all the money that I have spent on your head. And you know I gave you money for this too. Everything in your body, all your cream, everything.
Go and sit down, Joe. Money that you have used to change her life, change her level.